Family, I'm just checking in with you this morning, man. About to get started, just moving around. I was asked a question by one of my followers. How do you get started in your welding service and business when you don't have the finances, or when your credit is messed up, or when you don't have all the equipment needed to start the jobs out? Well, my answer to that will be you have to go back to the basics, which is using your hands, the old school work ethics. Sometimes you have to make that sacrifice, man, and get that job. You might not even like that job, but if you got to get that job to get your money up, so that way you can be able to get things on your own and be independent. You see what I'm saying? Because you have to get some type of money. So if you got a skill already, humble yourself a little bit, get the little job, get your money up. You see what I'm saying? And then once you get your money up, then you can go on and dip off. But use that asset, your hands, what you know, to get that money. Because I mean, I came from the same situation. Credit got messed up through divorce and bad relationships, so I'm working on that myself now. You know what I'm saying? I got myself pretty much out of debt now. I got to get my credit situated. So it was more like just live and learn situation. But as long as you got your skill, you got your trade, and you're ready to go out and start networking and working, man, you can start making money now. You see what I'm saying? So don't get discouraged about having bad credit. I can't get a loan, I can't get this, man. Just piece it together. You see what I'm saying? You ain't got to buy everything new. Just know what you need. Write a little list down, get the main things that you need to get your business off the ground. Then start tackling it that way. Look on OfferUp, Craigslist, pawn shops. You know what I'm saying? Just network. You might know somebody that got something that's in the bind at the moment. They might say, hey man, I'll let you get this for a little bit of nothing. You see what I'm saying? So just don't give up networking yourself, and use your hands, man. Take it back to the basics. Sometimes you got to get out here, you got to sweat, you got to grind, you got to feel them muscles getting like, ooh, I'm tired of standing. You know what I mean? Back might be hurting, knees, whatever. You know what I mean? But you got to exercise. You got to get out here and get it, because if you don't get it, they ain't gonna give it to us, bro. Hold on.